so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. Got me feeling a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out.
Here's my boss. My boss today.
Feel the clouds on your
Take them to the
shoulder.
factory.
Touch the sky, feeling
Hi
bolder.
guys.
Going all the way, going high, 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 high. Going out, going out, going all the way, going high, going all the way, going out, going all the way, going out, going all the way, going
Hello guys, hello family, welcome back to another video. This is Max. So guys, on today's video I'm supposed to head somewhere where I was supposed to go do a little farming, or maybe I was going to learn. Yeah, anyway guys, I was taking breakfast here. I didn't manage to like make breakfast at my place, so I passed by this hotel because I needed to get where I was going very early, so I was unable to make breakfast at my place. So I passed by this hotel, yeah, and I took breakfast here. I took tea and egg, yeah. Then before starting my trip to where I was heading, I passed by also at this garage, yeah, which is just opposite this road, yeah. And this guy was changing my oil. I needed my oil changed because my bike had even started removing the black smoke, you know. And when you see your car or bike removing black smoke, that means you need to change your oil ASAP. Yeah, so I changed mine. Yeah, this is my mechanic who does this. He's the one guy that I trust so much. So here he was changing my oil. Yeah. After changing my oil, I started my trip to somewhere called Kirinyaga. Yeah, it's somewhere where you take, think about, with a motorbike you take less than an hour. That is a good morning guys, good morning, hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to start my video from my grandma's place, yeah. But anyway, all is well, all is going well. I can't complain so much, yeah. Right now guys, I'm very happy actually, because today I'm going on a certain job. I'm going to what is it called, pruning, yeah, some coffee. Yeah, so let's go to grandma. Good morning guys. Let me start this video again because when I had started before, I saw some people passing by, and whenever I'm doing a video and I see people passing, I even lack words, or like sometimes even, you know, you feel that shyness, and I feel like, oh, this is weird. Anyway guys, because they, you know, they look at you, and it's like you create attention, and it's a little bit uncomfortable, you know. So anyway, I was telling you that I'm heading, or I'm going to a certain job. I was plugged by a friend of mine, yeah, very close friend of mine, yeah. So today I feel so good because at least today I'm going for a job, yeah. I'm going for a job. I'm going to, I don't know how it's called because it's not something that I've done before, yeah. But she's going to show me how to, yeah. We're going to how do I call this, to oh god, you know, coffee berries. We are going to remove them on their branches. I don't know how to call that. I will maybe to harvest them, to take them to the factory. Yeah, that's the work I'm going to do with my friend. Yeah, so today I'm going on a job. Yeah. So, and again, I'm going to learn something, not just job. So, I'm going to learn something. So, come with me as I take you there. It's somewhere. It's about 5 to 6 kilometers from my home. And today, guys, I'm starting my video from my grandma's place. Yeah, this is my grandma's place. So, I want to check in to see. It's in the morning. Yeah, I was heading there actually, and then I thought, why not pass by my grandma's place to check on her? Yeah, I was also here yesterday, So I decided to pass by to check on her, and also my mom is here. My mom has been here for like 2 to 3 days. Yeah, they are sorting something. Yeah, so come with me as I go to say hi to grandma, and then also come with me as I take you to the coffee farm. Yeah, and I am going to show you what I'm going to do there with my friend. Yeah, I feel so happy, by the way. I feel so happy because today won't be just a day like like any other day. Today I'm going to learn something, and today I'm going for a job. Yeah, so let's go. Today I'm on a job. That's why I'm going to leave my motorbike there. Oh no, uh, this place is not safe. I might leave my helmet there. I might leave it here and come back and not find it. So I'm just going to leave it there. Going to call Lizelle, then going to call grandma. Mom. So I'm waiting for my mom to open all up on my grandma. Don't know who's going to open. Brenda, morning. Finally here. Ready? Morning.
Morning.
Yeah, so guys, I'm here. I want to pass by. That's grandma. That's my mom on the other side. Yeah, grandma is making some greens. That's her business. If you ever wonder what grandma does, this is what she does for a living. Yeah. So this is what grandma does. She packs these greens in papers, and then later she delivers them to some hotels, maybe to people who might want to cook them at home. Yeah. So this is what she does. This is called chelele in our language, but in English it's called amaranth. Yeah, the greens. Oh, yep, guys, and I finally got here. Yeah, it's kind of village. So now I'm heading to where the work is. Yeah. Oops, almost fell down. Oh, I can see some people doing some, taking leaves, and plugging leaves. Yeah. Oh my God. It's a certain village. These are called leaves. Guys, now my work is here. You see, behind me, if you can see this, these are coffee. Yeah. Don't know if they're called coffee berries. These ones. See? Now, I came to, it's like to harvest them. I've never done this before, so it's my first time. Oh. Ooh. Karen! Karen! Oh, I'm trying to call. Who just connected me? Karen! Karen! Yeah? I think I found her. Inakaaje? Hebu ongea nifuate sauti. Yeah? Guma kiri anyeri. Guma na anyeri. Kawa. That's Karen. Yeah, guys, there she is, and she's the one who invited me here for this job. Yes, she invited me. So this is what we are doing. Yeah, this is what we are harvesting here. Is it called harvesting or unplugging? Yeah. So here you choose the one that are ripen. See, like this one. This one. Yeah, this one is ripen. Oh. Oh, okay. Hizi ndo zile mingi. Zile. Kai. Sikuje unichukue video. Eh? Hii ripe. Yeah, guys, it's my first time to unplug this. Is this called unplugging? It's my first time to remove these ones. So here you choose the one that are ripen. Yeah, I think she can explain to us better than I can. Yeah. Not like this one. See, this one is ripen. But on the other side, I think it's not okay. But it's good. Let me show you the good one. Yeah. Karen, give me the good one. Okay.
Hiyo iko sawa kama ile. Unachuna hadi kama ile, si ni mbaya.
And we are continuing to harvest this coffee. These are called coffee berries. Yeah. This is the job I'm doing. This is my boss. She's my boss today. So I'm expecting a pay at the end of the day. Yeah. So after we unplug these ones, we are going to take them to the factory. By the way, the factory. So my boss tells me that you're not going to the factory today. They're going to dry them at home. Then they take them tomorrow to the factory. Yeah. Yeah. I'm unable to explain this better because this is my first time on this. Okay, tunafanya twende factory.
Si inapelekwa factory.
Oh yeah, so tunaenda. Tuko na bike tutaenda. Okay. My boss don't want us to go to the factory today. So they are going to the factory tomorrow.
Haya, chungu usivunje.
Guys, after here, so here you go, you separate them, you choose the ones that are not like much ripened, the ones that are spoiled, because they are mixed up. And sometimes when you're plugging out, you confuse yourself. Sometimes you even unplug those that are not good. Even on this branch, as you can see, they are mixed up. Yeah, good ones, the ones that are not good. Some are burnt by the sun, as in Shishinato. Let's see now what I've unplugged these ones. Yeah. So later you go, when you put here, you go to separate. You see. So after here, we are going to separate with my friend. Niendelee? Nionyeshe gani?
Uko kwa hii branch hii.
Hii. Yeah, I'm with my boss here.
Yes, boss.
It's very hard to work with your boss.
Sawa, twende.
Sawa, twende.
We go searching.
Yeah, we go searching for another one that is ripen.
Yago.
Guys, yeah, there are so many, but like they have already been harvested. They have been harvested already. We go there down, okay. My boss is my videographer. Just in case you're wondering who is behind the camera. In fact, she's the one who connected me with this job, and also she's the one who is paying me on this job too. Yeah, on this weekend, have a good pay. Yeah, this one. Karen, I found one here. See this one, guys? This one is ripened. Yeah, show close. Yeah, look at. Oh my god, it looks good. I love take over. kuweka ikianza introduction. Doge huo ifike 5 seconds. Iende mbele. Ndio. Vile dona ginya ng'ombe ndashigeiithia. Afu doka hau kia dona kama ushikaji kia hau kana kama upodega smart. Doginya geithagia dona hana tourist. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is Mark, and today guys I came to unplug it's called unplugging or harvesting. I came to harvest coffees. I came to learn. In future time of course I will have a farm like this. Guys, these coffees are so expensive. Yeah, if you come in Kenya, this is one of the very most businesses, a lot of farming. A lot of people farm coffees. Like it's very profitable. Yeah? So whenever you want to invest in Kenya, invest in coffee farming. Yeah, they are so profitable. You can imagine a 1 kg of coffee berries is how much?
100, but it depends.
Depends with 1 kg of coffee berries, it's 100 shillings. But it depends. It depends with the season. Yeah. There's a season that they are so high, and there's a season that they are so low. Yeah. But the main month of harvesting coffees is November, right? Yeah, or November. That's when like all the farmers harvest this. It's like this one, like this branch. It's full of coffee berries. Yeah, but not all of them that are ripened.
Usifanye hivyo tena.
Aje?
Usichukue yenye si ripe.
Okay, ni gani si ripe?
Tuendelee, usitoe ukishachuna umechuna, rudisha.
Hizi.
Hizo si ripe. Okota, rudisha.
Si kama si ripe, unasema ni.
Okota, rudisha.
Hivyo.
Unazibebanga, you carry, then you go, you put them until they are black.
Oh.
They become bone. Oh yeah.
Come with me, Karen.
Come with you, no matter. You see, use your eyes. You look even up.
Oh yeah, thank you. Ooh, guys, I'm telling you, my boss is very tough here. Okay.
Kuja uchune hapa chini.
And guys, this is called bone. These are called bones. Yeah, they're also marketable.
So tissue bone. Huku umefanya research ya kahawa. Unakuja kunini kupoteza watu. Oh yeah.
Lakini zingine si mimi natumia. Unashikia inatoka ikiwa mzima, ikiwa hivi.
Ufai kuchuna hivyo. Unaona the moment umechuna hivi hapo umeacha pakiwa na nini? Na shimo, na ni mbaya.
So unafaa kamoja.
Kamoja and you haste.
Sasa before ujaza bucket kamoja hivi.
Si mimi nimejaza. Ufai kuchuna ikiwa hivyo venye ulikuwa unachuna before.
Okay, si ndio nafaa kamoja. Hivyo.
Twende.
Eka, put here. Put. Thank you.
Kai. Gudigele ushachukua zenye.
Hivyo. Sasa hadi mwisho.
Ushachukua zenye si right. Wewe huangalie, ebu go there.
Oh yeah, go here. My.
Teko mai. Ayo agete ukoona shone kiogera.
Mimi siwezi weka boko taoni. Sio sikuweka majani.
You're supposed to go round hivyo. Kichunanga kila mahali.
Yep guys, this is what we are doing here with my friend Karen. Yeah, this is what we are doing. Okay, start. Guys, and also we have tanks. These tanks here are used to mix medicine or mix to those medicines that spray, you know, because sometimes you have to spray them to make the, you know, when they have like disease, yeah, you need to spray them. So the tanks here down here, I'll show you some bottles. Yeah, my manager here is telling me to focus. Umesema zenye ziko red, unaona zenye ziko red pekee, hivyo ndo nafanya red only. You're supposed to unplug those are like ripen red. Yeah. Oh guys, life in the village. Life in the village is very sweet. Yeah, you're supposed to unplug those that are red. Yeah, as I'm told by my boss. You see? The only ones that are red. These ones are good.
Thank you.
Ready to make coffee. Yeah, but they pass through the factory first.
Twende. Ebu limalimia huyu. Limalimia huyu.
And also guys, we have some kales. These are kales. Yeah. So what you do by kales, you come and remove. These are weeds.
Hey, that so is not a kale, it is a cabbage.
Yeah, hey. These are cabbage. Hey? No, ni sukuma wiki jelly.
Hiyo ni cabbage.
Okay, my boss telling me that it's cabbage, but they look the same, of course.
They look
almost the same. Cabbage and sukuma wiki.
Ni huyu.
When they are growing.
Ile sukuma wiki pale.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so guys, these are cabbage. I'm told these are cabbage. Now I'm going to show you kales. You see, you only do like that. And if you don't have a panga, you can do like this, you see? And you make sure that it's left green. So guys, it's not just coffee harvesting, it's also digging for these ones. Unwinding for them.
Unwinding.
Yeah, uprooting for the. These are veggies. He's one of the veggies.
But ufai kufanya hivyo vile unafanya.
You see, you unplug like that and then you like this. You see, now it's left green. You make sure there is no weeds around it because they kill it or they destroy your veggies. Yeah, like that. You see, and now it's left.
Yeah, do the same.
Kwanza onyesha hivi. Onyesha vizuri. Show them clearly so they see my work. Yeah, come closer. Yeah, that's my work, guys. Woo, today I'm enjoying. Yeah. All right.
It was like this before.
Karen, I expect a good pay for this.
It was like this before.
You see, guys, this is before. Show them before. This is before and after. You see? This is before. Now let me show you what we do. So you
zishike pamoja
hivi.
Ukifanya hivyo ziweke hapo kwa ile branch.
Yeah, the reason we put it in the branch,
mulching.
It's for like mulching. It's for mulching. I don't know if you understand by mulching. You see, guys?
Ukiume umia chini ume uto kidogo tuache kuonyesha video vibaya.
Nini?
Ukiuma umie chini kabisa.
Easy. Sawa basi.
Nana hiyo vile imebaki na uto twingi.
Huku. Lakini huku tunashikika kweli hata.
Ukiumia chini.
Mtu ana slide mikono.
Sokereria tiri hau hata gati. Nigetha ihote
kuya. Also guys, you put the soil and together in the center of the branch.
So yeah? That the cabbage can stand.
Guys, I hope you understand my English. Yeah? Don't have like a proper English, but I'm trying.
And they are chini.
To make it heavy. And again also guys, I'm learning this. Yeah, you know, in our where we live we don't do farming. But my
Weka
girl
kwanza.
comes from the village, so she teaches me a lot.
Haina shida. Tulia.
Karen, chukua di picha.
Chukua katome kako.
Chukua hiki wait ni picha. Chukua photo. Come close. Chukua photo. Yeah. Kindly. Yeah, come. Chukua tu.
Focus. Nini alikwambia picha zako zote lazima uanzange hivi ama?
Sawa basi. Sawa basi.
Bado tuko kwa video. Fanya ni kama unafanya.
Nifanye kama nafanya. This is before guys. Let me show you before and after. Yeah. And you must make sure you hold them from the root. Yeah, or from the down. See guys? Those you don't leave them like this. You put them on this branch here down for mulching. I mean, it's very sweet.
Hapana gai. The same.
Yeah. You must make sure you take care of that cabbage so that you don't, you know, sometimes when you hold the weeds like this, yeah, sometimes you even hold the cabbage on your own food, so you must be very careful. Guys, I'm just learning this, so when it comes to time when I get my own land, I don't know what to do. Sometimes you don't have to go to the market to, yeah, if you know how to do this, you just need to have your own home garden. Is it called home garden? Yeah? It's called home garden, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Go for the bucket.
Go for the bucket. Guys, I did 1, I did 2, I did 3. These are like 3 branches, 1 branch.
Yes.
Woo. Now we continue with the coffee berries. Oh my god, the cabbage. Also guys, let me show you the difference. No, these are the kales, right? Right, Karen? Yeah, no, these are the kales. But these are cabbage. The difference with the cabbage is here. Come show them. Yeah? On the center. If you see it on the center that it's like this, like a circle, you see? It's forming. If you see like it's round like this, it's forming a cabbage. Yeah? But when it's like this, when it's like, you know, going like this, like how they are going. You see? Look at the difference. That's the difference. You can also tell the difference of a cabbage and a kale. Yeah? Although even for me, I just knew the difference today. Yeah, I was just showed by my boss here, who is still my videographer. Yeah. So we are all learning. Yeah, we are all learning this. So come with me. Let's continue with. Let's.
Kwanza chuna ile kahawa.
Yeah. Sorry.
First take the kahawa.
Oh, it's called kahawa. It's called kahawa in our language, Swahili. Yeah. In English, it's called coffee. But yeah, but in Kiswahili, it's called they're called kahawa. Yeah. And the funny thing is that also coffee tea is called kahawa. Yeah, that's the funny part. The berries are called kahawa. The tea itself, it's still called kahawa. So when you mention, you have to be specific. And also, guys, note that you only unplug the red ones. You know, the ones that are red enough. Those are the ones that are ready. So you must keep checking until November. When it's time for harvesting, you still have to keep checking because some of these berries ripe before others. Yeah, so you must keep checking.
Oh yeah?
Yeah?
Pale hujamalizia juu.
Yeah, bado sijamalizia juu, but nilikuwa nachukua zenye zilikuwa hapo. Yeah.
You do one at a time.
Oh, one at a time. My eyes are lying to me. You see my boss? My boss, am I doing well? Am I doing well, boss?
Yes.
Thank you. I think it's ready. Okay?
Shuka chini sasa.
Huko. Hapa. Bado hii ni cabbage, ndio? Hizi ni zako?
Mzamzai lakini.
Sasa upande huku ni nini nakai kwa nini kuliko pale? Unajua pale pako open.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Continue with the work.
Ninakupa tu idea sasa kuniambia continue with the work. Kama pale zinafanya hivi, imagine kama umekelea huku. Ndio ungenituma yote nilikuwa nakuja hapo kwa nini?
Unajua unafaa uweke kwa branch yenye umelimia.
Hivyo. Ama
Hapo chini.
Ndio tabambika.
Kwa nini?
Ndio.
Kwa nini?
Hii kazi tumefanya. Ndio.
Kama haina mengi achana nayo.
Kama hii. Hapana, hata kama na ile. Ni vizuri kuacha.
Unajua ni mengi ndio kuna zile sikuwa nimefanya huko chini.
Tufanye leo ambia.
Hapana, kahawa lazima kwanza nipeleke.
Ni kahawa?
Juu hata
hivi tunapeleka. I have 3 hours.
3 hours ndio unakuja na 2 hours.
Unadhani nilipitia wapi? Hizo video utaangalia wewe. Nilipitia home. Kwa shosho kuwapatia pesa.
Pesa za?
Sio nyingi. Sasa nikwambie shosho si mchezo. Kai. Ni shida na nipe nikamwekea kwa bank.
Usi. Hapo kuna kahawa.
Si ndio hii? Siwezi hii niliona. Sivyo? Alafu hii mchanga niondoa. Alafu kwanza unaimuda.
Hiyo si nini?
Kwani unaimuda?
Hiyo si cabbage.
Oh,
Hiyo chana nayo. Chana nayo tu ikae hivyo juu shaweka.
Yeah guys, that's my work.
Yeah,
those are the cabbage. I do the cabbage. Let me do the cabbage. Karim. You know I'm enjoying this work.
But I have a lot to go and deal with.
You have a lot to go on?
Like here in the village, work is not one.
Guys,
we do it.
Language, yeah?
Ukabikire kamuti kale gakuona ni hurahuria tu iganona. Wewe kwa ile mti yako. The stand.
Oh. Si nipatilishie.
Nikupatilishie.
Sawa basi. Tuendelee.
Chana boys. Nilipatia video ya next week.
Si ni leo.
Nataka kunilipa.
Si ni leo.
Ati ya leo.
Si
uko na